going to do something which will explode, and hopefully we will be all safe. Okay? And the second experiment is going to be a galaxy slime. I am clear and very sour, not sour, sour. When I touch baking soda, I make a big boom. What am I? So number 13 is M. Number 1 is A, Ma. And number 18 again is R. So it's marker. Okay, well done.